I started as an attorney in 2017. And, about 2 years ago, I was promoted to director and I started building an international team of attorneys. Pretty much it does what I did in South Africa, where we are client focused. We wanted specific attorneys in specific territories that could speak specific languages, and just to improve the relationship, well, improve the service and build strong relationships with our clients.
That's great. So let's get to know you a little bit, JJ. Where did you grow up?
Okay, so I was born and raised in Pretoria, South Africa. It's up north in a province called Gauteng.
Where are you at right now?
Well, right now I'm privileged of being in San Diego at an INTA conference.
What's in?
INTA is an international trade organization conference where brands in the IP sphere come together once a year. Or, sometimes international, sometimes in the US. This year we're in San Diego, and it's great just to be around all the intellectual property sphere and meet some of our competitors and potentially people that we can collaborate with as well.
So what do you do at Trademarkia? Describe your day.
So I have many hats during the day. I personally still manage a portfolio of about 800 clients. That and that part is a very important part of our business. The client relations part of sort of adding that additional value to managing clients' portfolios. And then of course I have, like I mentioned, I have the international team of attorneys that I also manage on a day-to-day basis.
Which countries does Trademarkia have attorneys in?
So we were fortunate enough to build, have really good attorneys in Canada, Mexico, Argentina, Brazil. We currently have Poland, UK, EU, South Africa, Nigeria, Vietnam, and Australia.
Wow, that's a lot.
Yeah.
And you manage all those?
Yeah.
How do you do that?
Huh? Well, I mean, if I could, there'd be more hours in a day. But yeah, it's not like I built this team overnight. So you learned from previous experiences. I think we started with the attorney in Canada and Mexico, and it's just finding your feet, becoming better at onboarding people, and then to be honest, the role that we perhaps onboarded the first attorney. It's such a fast-growing environment that we onboard people differently. The newer attorneys, we have more of a focus on country managers and creating a local website, an entity around them, because we felt we've come to the realization that if we were this US entity that could file anywhere in the world, but people found only our US website, it didn't inspire a lot of trust. So we took the next step of actually creating local websites that has a very local flavor and speaks to the local community, and by that building a bigger brand or a more renowned brand for Trademarkia in those territories.
Protect your brand with Trademarkia. Register your trademark on trademarkia.com.